So, Saurabh, I will start with you.
Okay.
So, why are the enterprises moving to the headless CMS? So, if you can tell us something about the headless CMS.
Yeah, sure. Traditional CMS platforms tightly coupled content with presentation, making it difficult to scale across multiple channels. Headless CMS separates content from the front end through APIs, allowing organization to deliver content consistently across website, mobile apps, kiosks, digital signage, AI assistant, and future digital channels. And platform like Sitecore XM Cloud also provide personalization, enterprise governance, AI capabilities, and a scalable cloud architecture. This helping organization innovate much faster. Now, I will show you how to create a template Sitecore headless page from scratch. In this way, we will cover template creation, rendering setup, data source configuration, page creation, and finally connect everything with the front end application. So let's get started. So let me share my screen.
Okay, you can share. Let me stop sharing from my side.
Okay,
Yeah,
thanks.
you can share.
Yeah. So, oh yeah, is my screen visible?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thanks. Show this
Yes,
Sitecore XP
visible.
dashboard. After login, you can navigate to desktop. Show Sitecore XP dashboard logins so that I can show you my websites I have developed. This is the restaurant websites developed in Sitecore XM Cloud with Sitecore JSX and frontend for Next.js. So this is the hero components. Now it is about us. The service sections, the feedback section, see the promo section, and this is the team section, and next one is this is the booking table section. From here to book a tables, and this is the FAQ section, and and last one is the footer section. And the different pages have developed like about us, services, teams, FAQ. So now I'm showing how to create a templates, and I'm showing the structure of templates. So just go to inside the templates and navigate and find the features folder. Inside the features, navigate headless site. Inside the headless site, just go to create a custom folder. I have created a Sitecore JSS app. Inside the Sitecore JSS app, we have created multiple templates as per my requirement. Suppose you have to create a template for hero banner. Yeah, I am open the hero banner templates. Yeah. So here's the hero banner templates. Inside these templates, I've defined different fields like title, image, description, and it says data types. For title, single line text. For image data types, and description. For long text, rich text. So this is the templates. Now, now let's next see to the rendering components. Inside the layouts. just go to inside the renderings. Inside the renderings, find features. Inside the features, navigate headlet site. Inside the headlet site, uh, Sitecore JSS app. I have created a custom folder inside this folder. I have created all the rendering components. Like suppose you want to create a hero banner rendering components. So just right click on this folder and select insert and choose create your rendering components. After creating the rendering components, need to configure some like data source, uh, like data source location and data source templates. Now, now next move on how to create items and how to create item and assign the rendering components to the items. So just goes to inside your site. My site name is Sitecore JSS app, and you can see I have created a multiple pages like home, about us, services, team, FAQ. So you can choose any one of the items. So I have select home, and after go to the presentation tab and then details. And now you can click on final layout tab. Now you can see I have assigned multiple rendering components on the home items, home, about, service, and different and other components. Now, suppose you want to add the data source. So select any one of the components, suppose hero component, click on the edit button, and from here you can choose the data source. Yeah, sure. So yeah. So now let's move to the front end side to how to implement these components in the front end sides. So yeah. So I have already created different components. Suppose like I created header components, and all the header components data fetches from Sitecore headless side using the GraphQL query. So I can show you what's the syntax of GraphQL query. So you can see my screens. Here is the GraphQL query. In GraphQL query, you can need to pass the item path and language, in which language you want to get the data and what type of parameters we want to. Yeah. So after getting, you can implement in the component sections. Yeah. After done refreshing the application, so you can see the page rendered successfully. Yeah. So this demonstrates the power of Sitecore headless architecture. So in just a few minutes, you have created a complete Sitecore headless page from templates and rendering to data source items and front-end implementation. Yeah, thanks.
Thank you, Saurabh, showing us the Sitecore headless and explaining us how we create component. So, Saurabh, I will come again to you. So, because now in Sitecore AI or Action Cloud, so what is the role play of AI in the Sitecore AI or Sitecore Action Cloud? You see.
Yeah, AI is becoming central to enterprise digital experiences. Sitecore AI helps organizations create brand-aware content, improve content quality, support multilingual publishing, optimize search experience, and maintain consistency through enterprise guardrails. Combined with personalizations, analytics, and headless architecture, organization can deliver a smarter and more relevant customer experience at a scale. Yeah. So now let's see how to MCP AI connect with Sitecore to create intelligent AI powered digital experiences. So now let me share my screen.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah. So yeah, I think my screen is visible.
Yeah, visible.
Okay. So, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. So, it is open standard that allow AI models to secure communicate with enterprise system APIs to end tools. Instead of building custom integration for every AI use case, MCP provides a standardized way of AI agents to assess and interact with business application. So, when we integrate MCP with Sitecore AI, so that it can directly interact with Sitecore content, templates, components, pages, and digital assets. For example, AI agent can create Sitecore content items, generate page components, configure data sources, build page structures, and retrieve content through GraphQL APIs, and even automate publishing workflows. So this reduces manually effort and improve authoring productivity. Just imagine asking an AI assistant create a healthcare landing page with a hero banner and call to action section. So the AI communicates with the MCP server, which then interacts with Sitecore APIs to create templates, content items, rendering, and page automatically. There, the front-end application immediately display the newly created contents. So you need to just configure the some steps. First, we need to create a files like mcp.json inside the .bs code. Just go to navigate the .bs code folder, and inside the bs code, you need to create a files mcp.json. In mcp.json, you need to configure like GraphQL endpoints, GraphQL API key, your item service server URL, uh, service username, and password. That's it. After the configurations, you just start your MCP server and go to chat, and you can ask to create the templates and other requests. So yeah, so the MCP acts as a bridge between AI and Sitecore, enabling intelligent content creation, automation, and personalization. So that this combination represents the future of AI powered digital experience platforms. Yeah, yeah, that's it. Thanks.
Thank you, Saurabh. Thank you explaining us about the Sitecore Sitecore CMS and role of AI in the Sitecore CMS and its content operation and yeah. So thank you very much.